Hey, what's going on guys? This is Bicky here and today I'm gonna show you how to make 10 grand a month with high ticket affiliate product. Okay, I'm gonna show you one of my best performing high ticket offer right now, and I'll be showing you how you can get started on this same high ticket product. So let's go to my computer. Okay guys, so now we are on my computer dashboard. So as you can see here, I got this commission of $2,000 today. Okay, so guys, this $2,000 commission has come from just one single sale. Okay, and this is the high ticket product that I'm working on and making $2,000 per sale. Okay, so like if I show you here in this system, one sale and you make $2,000 commission. So in that case, 5 sale would be $10,000 a month, right? So that's how you can make $10,000 a month from 5 sale a month. Okay, so guys, here what you're gonna do is you're gonna follow step 1 and step 2. Okay, so that's how you're gonna copy my method and copy my campaign. So let's see what this system is called. So if you have already watched my previous video, you will already know that this system is called GLN. Okay, I mean Genesis Lifestyle Network. Okay, so if you want to know what are the products under this system, so if I click on core products here, okay, you can see that the core products here, there are several package. So like under the beginner package, it is $50 one-time fee and $25 annual membership fee, and it pays 30% commission. Okay, similarly there is pro package and advanced package, but what I did, I just directly went for the mastery package, which is the $2,000 package. So under the mastery package, it is one time $2,000 payment and $399 annual payment. Okay, and it pays 100% commission. And if I click on the compensation plan here, okay, these are the compensation plan. So like under the beginner package you get 30% commission, but under the mastery package you make 100% commission. Okay, so like you earn $2,000 per sale here. Okay, and if you're wondering what are the products that you get under each package, so like under the mastery package, these are the products that you get. Like here you can see webinar mastery, here you can see 6-figure business method, high ticket sales closing secret. Okay, so these are the products that you get under each label. Okay, Facebook live mastery, and this is the compensation plan. Okay, so guys, what you're gonna do is if you wanna make commissions like me, simply click the link below and you will land on this page. Okay, so you will click on create account here. Okay, so once you will click on create account today, what will happen is you're gonna land on this page. So simply put your name, first name, last name, email, phone number, and click on click here to create account. Okay, once you will click here, you will land to your dashboard. Okay, so guys, this is the back office of this system, Genesis Lifestyle Network. Okay, so first of all, what you're gonna do is click on setup system. Okay, but before you do that, you need to upgrade your account. So since I have already upgraded my account, as you can see here, it says welcome Bicky, your current membership package is mastery package. So since you will be new, you need to upgrade your account. Okay, there will be a button here which says upgrade. After you have upgraded your account, simply click on setup system here. Okay, and you will see these steps. Okay, so these are the steps, step 1, step 2. So watch this short video and follow this step 1, then go to a step 2, then go to a step 3, 4, and finally go to a step 5. And this is the place on step number 5 where you can add your payment method. Okay, like as you can see here, payment setup. So watch this video and set up your payment so that you can get the commission. And then last step is 6. So similarly follow the step 6 as well. Once you have done that, what will happen is guys, you get several affiliate links. Okay, like there are several landing page that you get pre-made from the system. So like if I click any one of this landing page here, you will see that this is one of the landing page that I'm using. So here is the landing page 1. Here you can send the traffic to this page. So basically guys, you just once you have upgraded your account, simply copy your affiliate link and start sending the traffic. Okay, and what I'm doing is what I'm doing to help you is I'm offering 300 clicks to your affiliate links. Okay, so like once you have created your account and upgrade to the mastery package, okay, simply message me on Facebook, and what I'll be doing is I'll buy 300 clicks for your affiliate link, okay. And then second bonus what I'm offering to help you so that you can get a head start is I'm gonna give you one-on-one 1 hour Zoom call, okay. It can be on Zoom or it will be on Facebook or any other app, it doesn't matter. Third, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you my Genesis Lifestyle Network review video as yours, okay. So what I'll do is I'll give you my this video without my face, okay. You can add your image in this video and you can upload this video on your channel, okay, and you can get traffic and you can make sales, okay. So these are 3 help that I'm doing from my side, so you can get head start and you can make a big commission like me and several other people who are working on this system. So if you wanna make 10 grand a month with this high ticket product, go ahead, click the link below, create your account and follow these 2 simple steps.